to our first ever vlog of our Perth to Exmouth trip. I'm Josie, this is Kyle. We're all packed up, ready to go. We've got an 8-hour trip ahead of us. Our first stop being Monkey Mia, which we'll stay at the RSC holiday resort there for a night, and then we'll shoot up to Exmouth, and we've got our drones, and hopefully we'll get some wicked footage for you guys, and we'll go snorkeling, fishing, paddleboarding, so stay tuned. A quick pit stop at Geraldton. I've got my 196s, had to stop at the bottle-o, and we had to change out the gas bottle and get a few things and groceries before we head straight to Monkey Mia. Keep in mind, this is the last main town to get all the groceries you need before you head more north. Need any last few items before your trip, just get it in Geraldton. I've got my home-style pesto and sun-dried pasta salad that I'll be munching away. It's feeling pretty hot. I think it's about 30 degrees and Exmouth is going to be hitting 40s, so stay tuned. "20 minutes out from Monkey Mia."
Weather is mid.
33 degrees right now. There's not a single wave, it is just like a swimming pool. Good morning from Monkey Mia. We have just woken up not long ago and we are currently about to cook up some lovely pancakes for breakfast. Today we'll be heading off to Exmouth.
No dolphins.
There was no dolphins this morning. We woke up nice and early at like 7. We got there at the beach at 7:45 AM and they didn't unfortunately make a showing, but I'm sure we'll be back, and as always next time.
Wow, weather's it's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's so humid.
It's pretty fucking humid, yeah. Cloudy as. I hope it doesn't rain. Hot enough to not rain.
It's so sweaty.
Yeah, if someone's lost their thong, it's fucking right here, mate. Right here. Right back there.
Here at Town Beach in Exmouth, about to go for a quick dip after a long day of driving, and in the sun we are a little bit sunburnt. Day 3 in Exmouth. We have arrived at Turquoise Bay. We're going to go and check out the crystal clear waters there. Hopefully snorkel maybe, or just go for a nice swim. How hot is it?
33.
It is currently 33 degrees, but honestly it feels like 40. The humidity is making us both sweat so much. Honestly, we woke up in a pool of sweat in our rooftop. As you can see, there's already quite a few people already here. Got the same idea to go snorkeling, check out the beautiful corals and maybe some cute little fish. We've got our snorkeling gear here, so we're gonna head out there and hopefully get some cool footage for you guys. some noodles on the go and our jet boil. These things are absolutely sick. Definitely recommend getting one.
Worth its weight in gold.
It's absolutely worth it. It just cooks up noodles, soup, baked beans.
Anything in a pot with hot water.
Anything in a pot with hot water, so quick. Ningaloo Coast! We finally arrived.
For the lads that are going to go snorkeling, make sure you bring Vaseline, because the skip said fucking cake your mustache with Vaseline. I was going to shave it off, but he's like, nah, you're alright. Gave me a tub of Vaseline, said take that on, and that has stopped my mask from leaking.
We have just arrived at our camp spot at South Lefroy in Exmouth, and with beach access right there, and Kyle's setting up the GoPro to get some good sunset shots. It is absolutely a place to be.
picture of my time.
Calbarry, nature's window. Woo! Check it out. Absolutely the perfect pristine photo spot. The flies here are insane. They're just attacking us both. But it's absolutely stunning at sunset.
So you picture of my time.